Hey y'all, I'm Amanda Shaw, and today we're at a local tackle shop. This place is full of tools that fishermen have made or engineered to be able to help them fish. We've engineered lots of tools to help fish and other marine life. Do you want to know how? Well, I'll tell you all about it in this episode of STEM, y'all. Just like you and me, fish and other marine animals need a home. For you and me, that might mean an apartment or a house. But for fish, they live near reefs. Some reefs are natural. They are usually made from rocks or the skeletons of small animals called coral. Do you know why fish love reefs? It's because plants, algae, crabs, and lots of other organisms are also drawn to them. Reefs are definitely the place to hang out. They are like a little city in the water. Well, sometimes we have to make or engineer reefs for fish.
Hey guys, my name is Dean and I am coloring a picture of the artificial reef. We build artificial reefs because sometimes there's not many rocks on the bottom of the ocean that fish can live in. An artificial reef is kind of like a fish house.
Our water bottoms in Louisiana are either soft sand or mud. So we put this hard structure down here, but this provides that attachment point for the marine organisms to start the food chain. So we're happy to have this habitat and this destination for our anglers for now and into the future.
I love going on a boat ride. It's one of my favorite things to do. Have you ever been on a boat? There are so many different kinds of boats. Like, think of a kayak. It's small and simple. It doesn't have an engine. You have to paddle to get around in a kayak. Then think about a sports fisher. It's so much bigger than a kayak, and it has an engine. A sports fisher is engineered for recreational fishing. Fishermen have room to relax while they're fishing. Do you like shrimp? I sure do. And they are caught on a shrimp boat. Shrimp boats are engineered to be able to catch a lot of shrimp and to be able to store them while shrimpers are out in the water. There's probably a boat for every job at sea. And there are probably just as many engines. Engines are what make boats move, just like a car or a truck. There are outboard engines. Those are mounted to the outside of the boat. They use gas and are pretty efficient. Inboard engines are found on the inside of some boats, usually on bigger boats. These inboard engines are very powerful, so they move really big ships. Some boats even have trolling motors. These are very small motors that are usually mounted on the front of a boat. Therefore, when fishermen want to move a very short distance, and they don't have to turn on their big engine for that. Who knew there were so many different kinds of boats and engines? That is so cool. That was such a fun boat ride. In this episode, we learned engineering helps us build different types of boats for a variety of purposes, and how our engineering know-how can help create homes for fish and other marine life. Engineering is just one way we can make a fisherman's job easier, but it can also help sustain and grow marine life, and that is pretty cool. Well, that's it for me. I can't wait for our next boat ride. See you soon.